आप सब सुन करके ही एक अद्भुत आनंद है जो किसी में नहीं है, है? जिसने गुड़ को चखा वही बता सकता है, जो यहाँ बैठे हैं वो बता सकते हैं, बाहर कोई नहीं बता सकता। चलिए जी, अब आज की चर्चा शुरू करेंगे। क्या समय हो गया प्रभु जी? 8:45। तो अभी क्या चर्चा चल रही है तीसरे स्कंद में जी? कपिल देव जी का और देवहूति माता। तो कर्दम मुनि छोड़ के जा चुके हैं उनको, कपिल देव स्वयं भगवान के अवतार हैं। और देवहूति माता उनसे पहले प्रश्न कर रही थी कि मेरा अटैचमेंट कैसे जाएगा। तो उन्होंने पहले क्या बोला था कि सबसे पहले उन्होंने बोला था कि आई हैव बीन एंगेज्ड बाय योर माया एंड आई हैव बीन आइडेंटिफाइड माई सेल्फ विद बॉडी एंड कंसिक्वेंट बॉडीली रिलेशंस। उन्होंने भगवान को क्या बोला कि मैं जो माया में एंगेज हूं वो आपकी वजह से हूं। मेरा भी कहना यही है मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है भैया, आपकी वजह से हूं। तो क्या ये सही आंसर है कि हम भगवान की वजह से माया में हैं? हाँ, आंसर बिल्कुल यस है, भगवान की वजह से ही माया में है। लेकिन हमने उनके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं छोड़ी। क्यों? भगवान के अंश है, ममे वांशु जीव लोके जीव भूत सनातन। हमने बोला हम खुद एंजॉय करेंगे, तो भगवान ने एक फॉल्स आइडेंटिटी बना दी जिसका नाम है फॉल्स ईगो। बोले भैया ये, अब सोल ने सोचा मैं ही फॉल्स ईगो हूं, मतलब मैं क्या हूं? आई एम द बॉडी। अब एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस भगवान की सब कुछ वहीं से आ रहा है। प्रभुपाद लिखते हैं ददामि बुद्धि योगम तम, आर्टिफिशियल छोड़ो, मैं रियल इंटेलिजेंस देता हूं। आप देख लो, विनाश काले विपरीत बुद्धि, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है आदमी का, वो भी इंटेलिजेंस ही है, वो तो सोच ही रहा होता है कि सब बढ़िया चल रहा है। तो उन्होंने बोला कि भाई आ जाओ इधर बैठ जाओ, आके शांति से बैठो, मजा ही आएगा। नहीं भी आएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा, क्लास में भी तो बैठते हो ना। तो हमने भगवान के पास चॉइस नहीं छोड़ी। तो अब जो अंश है उसने कहा मैं फॉल्स ईगो हूं। फॉल्स ईगो मतलब है उसने एकात्मता कर ली, किसके साथ? शरीर के साथ। आप सोचो किसी को ये शरीर एक घर बोला गया है, नवानी गृहानी, तो नौ द्वार वाला उसमें आता है कथा में, ये भी एक घर है। लेकिन कोई घर में 100 साल तक रहे और बाहर ना निकल पाए, कैसा लगेगा उसको? जेल ही लगेगी ना। मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा, लेकिन 100 तो छोड़ दो, अगर पहुंचे ना पहुंचे, जेल तो हरगिज नहीं लग रहा। क्यों? हाँ नहीं, मुझे लग रहा है मैं ही ये शरीर हूं ना, तो मैं बाहर किससे निकलूंगा? मैं हूं ही है, मैं तो वही फ्री इंडिपेंडेंट। तो भगवान से यही देवहूति ने भी बोला कि भैया आपकी वजह से हूं। तो सिंपल है कि हम यस भगवान की वजह से हैं माया में, लेकिन हमको भगवान ने कोई माया नहीं छोड़ी। देखिए भगवान की एक माया का एक कथा आती है भागवतम में। एक ऋषि है जैमिनी ऋषि, श्रील व्यास देव के शिष्य। जब ब्रह्मा जी ने एक वेद का 4 वेद किया, फिर व्यास देव जी ने उसके बहुत सारे भाग किए और एक एक वेद को एक एक ऋषि को दे दिया रिसर्च करने के लिए। जैमिनी ऋषि, पाइला ऋषि, तो जैमिनी ऋषि हुए। तो एक दिन जैमिनी ऋषि व्यास देव जी के पास गए, हरे कृष्णा, आ जाइए आ गए। हाँ, जैमिनी जी जो हैं वो व्यास देव जी के पास गए। कहने लगे जी आपने भागवतम में एक श्लोक है जो ना वो ठीक नहीं है। तो व्यास देव जी ने कहा वो कौन सा है? बोले उसमें लिखा है कि जो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होता है, जो बहुत ही विद्वान होता है, वो भी इस माया में फंस सकता है। ये ठीक नहीं है। जो अच्छे से इंटेलिजेंट है वो क्यों फंसेगा? तो जैमिनी जी ने कहा कि ठीक है, व्यासदेव जी ने कहा ठीक है, इसका उत्तर आपको देंगे हम। आई विल गिव यू द आंसर टू दिस। After a few days, Vyas Devji told Jaimini Rishi, I have got some work. So I am going in another ashram. You take care of this ashram. But be very careful. Because it is going to rain. Be extremely careful. Vyas Devji left the home, ashram. Jaimini ji took charge of all the huts. There were hundreds of huts, guest house, this, that. A lot of rishis were there. So he was taking care of everybody. Suddenly there was thunderstorm and heavy rain pouring. So he was thinking, now what is happening? Vyas Devji told there will be some problem, now this thunderstorm is happening. Suddenly one beautiful girl appeared. She was completely wet. She knocked the door. Jaimini ji opened the door. He said, she was alone, extremely beautiful, completely wet, alone in the night. She said, Jaimini ji, I have nobody. You have to give me shelter. Jaimini ji said, I cannot do this. It is against my principle. I am a sannyasi. I cannot do this. She said, but anybody who is completely surrendered to a sannyasi, that person's responsibility is to give shelter to the person. I have come to take shelter of you. You have to give. Jaimini ji thought, baat to sahi. At the end of it, she has come for my shelter. So Jaimini said, but you cannot stay in this ashram. There is one guest hut. You stay there. And you lock the door from inside. And even if I knock it hard, you don't open. Is the condition okay with you? Girl said, perfect, no problem. Then he gave him some dhoti. You change, you are completely wet. And because of the wet, the skin was also visible. So he opened the door, opened the gate of the hut, and he said, oh, lock it, even if I come, don't open. He said, okay. Now he went inside and he was chanting. The moment he chants, the face of the girl. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. This is the problem. He thought this girl is so alone. She must be very miserable. Let me take care of her. So he went, he opened the door. It was raining, pouring. He walked, Jaimini Rishi, and he knocked the door. The girl said, who are you? Who is it? He said, I am Jaimini Rishi, open. He said, no, you said don't open. I will never open. By that time, the senses had taken control over Jaimini Rishi. He climbed through the hatchet roof and jumped inside. He said, what are you doing? He said, tell me, are you married? He said, I am not married. He said, would you like to marry me? Of course. Who would not like to marry Rishi like Jaimini Rishi? The moment he caught hold of the hand, she changed to Vyasdev Muni. He said, do you agree the shloka is right? इसलिए भैया क्या है वो माया मेताम देवी ईशी गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्तया. If Krishna is telling duratya, imagine how duratya it is. But maya metam tarantite. Who? Mamev prapatyante. Those who surrender to me, they can only salvage. So it is like this. Last time we were discussing. So she said, Devahuti, that you please tell me how I should be. I am completely attached to the matter, how I should be saved. And then we heard the transfer yoga. What is transfer yoga? Attachment, can it be given? Attachment cannot be given up. Because soul also has desire, body also has desire. It cannot be given up, but it can be transferred. That is the only way. That is why we have in ISKCON restaurant called Higher Taste. In Bangalore, the restaurant name is Higher Taste. Meaning, once you have the higher taste, then you will forget the lower taste. Abu Dhabi also? Okay, very nice. So now, today's discussion is this only, that how to get rid from clutches of Maya. What is Kapil Bhagwan telling Devahuti in Bhagavatam? Not according to my senses, because if Jaimini Rishi could do like this, imagine my condition. So, but before we reach there, there was one very beautiful thing which last time we could not really relish. And that is the soul fragmented or is the soul not fragmented? Anybody remembers from last time? Both versions are given in, one is in Bhagavad Gita, one is in Bhagavatam. The soul, please repeat. Mabe vanshu jiva loke jivabhuta sanatanaha manah shasthani indriyani prakritisthani karshati mam eva ansha. Ansh translation is fragmented particle. Krishna is telling soul is my own fragmented particle who is sitting on the body and roaming around with the 6 senses and the mind. Correct? 15.7. Now see 325.7 in Srimad Bhagavatam, what Kapil Dev is telling. This shloka is told by whom? Mamaevanshu Jiva Loke. Who has told? Krishna has told who? Arjuna. Now Krishna only became Kapil Muni, but what he is telling? Completely ulta. Opposite, please see. Tada Purusha Atmanam Kevalam Prakrite Param Nirantaram Swayam Jyoti Animanam Akhanditam Tada Purush, meaning that soul. Atmanam himself, Kevalam is pure. Prakriti Param is transcendental to this material existence. Nirantaram is non-different qualitatively. Swayam Jyoti, self-effulgent. Animanam is very minute. Akhanditam. What is Khandit? Turjana. Akhanditam. Translation not fragmented. What translation Prabhupada will do? Other there is Ansha is fragmented particle and Akhanditam is not fragmented. Translation by Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. At that time, the soul can see himself to be transcendental to material existence and always self-effulgent, never fragmented, although very minute in size. Abhi, which one is correct? Somebody should ask Krishna. Bhaiya, wo mane ki ye mane. Completely opposite. But spiritual science is Achinta Bheda Bhed. Amongst all the contradiction, it reconciles. That is why these senses cannot understand. There is a reconciliation. Prabhupada gives explanation in purport. When he says that it is fragmented, Prabhupada writes, it is not as fragmented as in the material world that it is chopped into pieces. Ek kele ko liya, 4 tukde kar diye. It's not like that. It is like the sun and the rays. Rays are sun, but is not sun. Correct? So in that sense, it is fragmented. But it is not fragmented because what is sun? Sun rays is made of, and it is not detached. It's not separate like this. It's like the stomach and the hands. They are same part. So therefore, in the state of pure consciousness or Krishna consciousness, one can see himself as a minute particle, non-different from Supreme Law. Non-different. Quantitatively, though, there is a problem. Qualitatively is okay. One more thing we were discussing. I am suffering. I think most of the people in the universe are suffering from material miseries. There are two major kind of miseries. One, what I have should not go. Second, I should get what I don't have. This is material misery. So Krishnan Kapil Muni explains how to avoid this misery. Please repeat. Madashraya Katha Brishta Shravanti Kathayanti Cha Tapanti Vividhastapa Netan Madgat Chetasa Matashraya. About me. Katha. Shravanti, one who hears. Kathayanti, who chants. Cha tapanti vivadha tapa na etan. Those who are relishing my katha by hearing or listening or reading, they do not suffer from material miseries. Why? Because mind can only think at a time one thing. Once it is absorbed in its source, pain will still be there. पैर टूटा है, दर्द होता रहेगा. But suffering will not be there. See, most of us would be suffering from material misery. At least I am suffering. But till the time we are in touch with this source, तो सब miseries बाहर वेट कर रही है. ये बाहर निकलने दो इनको, फिर बताते हैं. ओके, अब देखिए जी आज का जो टॉपिक, श्रीमद् भागवतम 3:27-17. देवहूतिर्वाच, देवहूति said, पुरुषं प्रकृतिं ब्रह्मन् न विमुञ्चति करचित् अन्योन्य अपाश्रायत्वत् च नित्यवात् अनयो प्रभु. What a beautiful question this is. Person who can ask this question, meaning definitely realization will happen. First, before word to word, let's see the translation. Devahuti inquired, my dear Brahman, that is Kapil Muni, son, listen carefully, does material nature ever give release to the spirit soul? What a question. She is asking, my dear Brahman, meaning my son, does the material nature ever give release to the spirit soul? Question mark. Since one is attracted to the other eternally, how is their separation possible? इतने सालों से I am feeling I am the body, I am the body, I am the body, I am the body, I am the body. You see this भंवरा होता है ना, what is the English for भंवरा? Bumblebee. Thank you Mataji. It sits on the lotus flower, and if it is evening, the lotus gets closed, and later on in the morning when the sun rises and it opens, there is no bhangra left there. It's gone as part and parcel of the kamal only. It finished. Like this, the body is so much attached. और ओके माता जी? हाँ ठीक है उनको. That is their natural nature. So natural thing should not be suppressed. हाँ थोड़ा सा धीरे तो better है. तो she is saying, since one is attracted to the other, who is the one? The material nature and the soul, they are attracted each other eternally. How is their separation possible? Will the material nature ever give release to the spirit soul? This is the question asked. Clear question. कैसे छुटकारा होगा? श्री भगवान उवाच. संस्कृत में क्या लिखा है? अनिमित्ता निमित्तेन स्वधर्मेण अमलात्मना तीव्रया मया भक्ति च श्रुतो संभृत्य चिरम. First let's do the translation. Supreme Personality of Godhead said, one can get liberation, meaning the matter will and the soul, they will get separated, that is liberation. by seriously discharging devotional service unto me and thereby hearing for a long time about me or from me, thus executing one's prescribed duties in Krishna consciousness, there will be no reaction and one will be freed from the contamination of matter. इसमें 3 things have been given. It's a long statement. I will repeat. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Animitta Nimittena, without desiring the fruits of activities, Swadharmena, in Krishna consciousness one does his prescribed duties, Amal Atmana, with a pure mind, plus. So one is, first point, does duties in Krishna consciousness. Number 1. Let's remember these 3 because these 3 we will elaborate. First is prescribed duty in Krishna consciousness. Number 1. Second, Tivra Mai Bhaktya, fierce devotional service. First one is also that only actually, but nevertheless. Second, Shruta Sambhratya, hearing Chiram for a long time about me. So 3 things are given here. 1, or you can put it into
devotional service without any fruitive.
Yes, one is do devotional service. One is devotional service of hearing. One is prescribed duty in Krishna consciousness. If these 2 are done, then these 2 can be freed. But the question is why? बोल तो दिया उन्होंने. But as a why it should happen, that if I am doing prescribed duties, the spirit and the matter will get separated. 1. Why is it that I am doing devotional service? Then the material clutch of Maya, of matter will release me. 2 main things. Why is it like this? Okay, so 2 things are there. One is doing prescribed duties, Krishna consciousness. Second is hearing Krishna Katha and devotional service. From this, if it happens, then soul is released from material contamination. This is the statement Kapil Muni has said. Now Prabhupada explains in purport how by prescribed duties in Krishna consciousness one will be released from matter. Simple. Swanitishthasa dharmasya samsiddhim haritoshanam. So when somebody does work for Krishna, the reaction also goes to him. So matter starts not to come back to the soul. It keeps going only. So slowly all the matter is gone and the 2 are separated. Now see, by hearing and doing devotional service, by hearing and devotional service, the matter, we are released from the clutches of matter. Why it happens like this? This is experiential. You all have experienced. Otherwise you wouldn't be here. That is the proof. Unfortunately, one person you will never meet. Who is that? Yamaraj you will never meet. So how is it that by Prabhupada writes, by continuous, please repeat, by continuous regular hearing, the effects of contamination, of lust and greed, to enjoy or lord it over, material nature diminishes. So first thing, by regularly hearing Nityam Bhagavat Sevaya, what happens? Contamination of lust and greed, that reduces. इसका proof है. I will tell you, you can think, don't tell me what, but you can think on your own, no answers needed. Think of the utmost pleasurable sense gratification thing. Even if somebody is trying to produce a child, even you think that, or any other activity for purely sense gratification purposes, not for devotional purposes, you are doing. Woman is enjoying, man is enjoying woman. That activity also if you take. But at that time, if somebody remembers Krishna or chants, what will happen to this intensity of enjoyment? Tell me. I'm sure you all have tried. If you are having some sense gratification, rasgulla, or whatever best you think is the most enjoyable thing, at that time, if you somehow remember Krishna or chant, the intensity of the material enjoyment will reduce. You can experience yourself. 100%. Meaning 100% true, not 100% health. But it will happen.
But on the flip side, if you are struggling with some pain and all,
Yes.
will it reduce?
Fantastic. Previous shloka. Here. Engaged constantly in chanting and hearing about me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The sadhus do not suffer from material miseries because they are always filled with thoughts of my pastimes and activities. It's very difficult for a person like me to apply this, but when I am in pain, see, this body is made up of matter, there is a complete proof. Anybody who's here who has not gone to a dentist? Everybody is going to dentist at some time. What does he put or she puts in the teeth? What material is put? Huh? Ceramic? Silver? If the knees go wrong, what do they put inside? Steel. Correct? Unless the two, body and the thing which is being inserted, are of the same type, it should give repulsion. But after some time you don't even make out that there is an iron steel body. Why? Because it is of the same material nature. So to answer your Prabhu, Bhagavatam tells us, but it is in the proportion of ye yathamam prapadyante. The more mind is attached or is linking any activity to Krishna, to that extent the misery will reduce. Full kiya to full reduction. 10% kiya to 10% reduction. Okay. So where were we?
सर प्रभु जी एक बात है
हाँ
आप सुख की बात कर रहे हैं
हाँ मटेरियल सुख हाँ?
दुख की बात जब हम लोग डिप्रेशन में रहते हैं जो भी वो रिलीज होता है क्या?
वही क्वेश्चन पूछा था उन्होंने कि दुख भी रिड्यूस होता है क्या? अगर आप अपना माइंड भागवतम के हिसाब से, मेरे को मत बिलीव करना, बिकॉज मेरा मेंटल कॉन्फॉक्शन हो सकता है। भागवतम के हिसाब से जिस वक्त पेन हो रहा है, बॉडी पेन तो फिर भी होगा, सफरिंग की बात है यहाँ। अगर भगवान का नाम लिया या उनकी तरफ ध्यान जितने प्रपोर्शन में लगाया, उतने प्रपोर्शन में कष्ट कम होगा। अब बॉडी में हाथ कट गया तो पेन तो होगा, लेकिन एक है पेन, एक है सफरिंग। पेन रहेगा, वो बॉडी का नेचर है, बट आपको मेंटल सफरिंग कम होती जाएगी। दोनों ट्रू है। आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस, यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस, हाँ,
ability to withstand that.
that will greatly increase. See why these thapedas are coming on us regularly. It is to make us, भैया झेलो। Okay, so the point is, by hearing why one is released from matter, because the taste of matter reduces. When the taste reduces the soul, what will the soul do? It will release that matter. बोले यार बहुत हो गया. When a newlywed, what enjoyment they were doing in the first year, after 50 years, do they do the same enjoyment? क्यों? All facilities exist. But the taste has reduced. So this is the logical answer as to why continuous Nityam Bhagavat Sevaya, why the unauspicious things and the lust and greed, why they will, to enjoy and to have lust, all that will decrease because the taste itself is not there. Number one. Any doubt? One more we will take. क्या बजिएगा प्रभु जी? Okay, fine, we have. Please repeat. भक्त भोगा परित्यक्ता दृष्ट दोषा च नित्यशः न ईश्वरस्य अशुभम धत्ते स्वे महमिनी स्थितस्य च। हाँ, पहले ट्रांसलेशन ध्यान से देख, रिपीट। बाय डिस्कवरिंग the faultiness of his desiring to lord it over material nature, and thereby giving it up, the living entity becomes independent and stands in his own glory. So prescribed duties, if it is done in Krishna consciousness, soul can be released from, because the reaction is not coming, matter. Second, by hearing matter and the soul will get released from the matter by hearing, because one, the taste will reduce. Two, by hearing and chanting, what will happen is that one will understand things don't belong to me. We are trustees, they don't belong. What I have today was owned by somebody else, tomorrow somebody else. So the person understands this does not belong to me. Therefore what happens? The person realizes that I am not the owner of this. I am not the owner. If I am not the owner, then I can leave it. It is not mine. So three things are there. Prescribed duties, it can separate. Two, by hearing, the taste will reduce, so automatically soul will be released of material contamination. Three, the person will understand by listening. Mamevanshu jivaloke aham sarvasya prabhavo. I am, Bhagavan is saying I am everything, you don't know anything. Slowly that realization comes, then what will happen? Automatically the attachment will go, the soul will release the matter. That is the answer why he said by doing these three things. Let's go back to the shloka. The Supreme Person of Godhead said one can get liberation by seriously discharging devotional service. That means, and thereby hearing for a long time about me. By thus executing one's prescribed duties in Krishna consciousness, there will be no reaction and one will be freed from contamination of matter. Now one more thing. See, everybody says, Maya has caught hold of me. Is it true? Yes?
We are holding.
See, there was one person. He was holding one pillar and he was shouting, leave me, leave me, leave me. So one person came. He said, why you are shouting? He said, this pillar is not leaving me. He said, Baba, you are holding it. Chodo na isko, jaane do. This thing happens by these three things. By prescribed duties in Krishna consciousness, by hearing, so the taste will reduce, understanding I am not the owner, then automatically the soul attachment reduces and soul releases the matter. बोले भैया नहीं चाहिए, क्या करेंगे इसका लेकर के? इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि कल नौकरी छोड़ दें हम। घर जाके माता जी will tell प्रभु जी साहब क्या बता दिया, tomorrow you are deciding to resign. ये मतलब नहीं है. But transfer yoga should be done. What is transfer yoga? Transfer the attachment from matter to soul, or to super soul, to Krishna. Once that is done, then same activity. You remember? Actually in the TV serial they showed that when the Pandavas were going back, one by one they left their body and all that story is there. Bhagavatam doesn't say this. As per Bhagavatam, each and every Pandav went in the self-same, these are the exact words Prabhupada has used, in the self-same body up to Golok. Meaning what? It is again Achinta Bheda Ved. What we are saying, soul will leave as matter, but Bahuna Janamana Vante Jnanavanam Prabhadate Vasudevam Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlava. Then the soul realizes matter is also made up of Krishna. मतलब फर्स्ट ही सेज लीव 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 लीव, आफ्टर दैट ही सेज अरे बाबा ये भी यही है, अभी किसको छोड़ूं मैं? यू कैन नॉट लीव एनीथिंग. आई एम ओनली सेइंग वर्ड बाय वर्ड्स, बट दिस इज व्हाट द रियलाइज्ड souls have written. And this is true because you can make out that once you leave something, so same activity which is matter, that can be converted into a spiritual activity. So yat karosi yadasnasi yat tavasyasi kaunteya. और उससे क्या होगा? शुभाशुभ फले रेव, मोक्ष से कर्म बंधना. वही प्रिस्क्राइब ड्यूटीज किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली शुभ अशुभ फल छूट जाएंगे. ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, जताय गौर प्रेमानंदे. 9:25. Mani, you will come and sing. He has come from